Hi, so this is like my first official really IG video, and I wanted to do a cute little summer hairstyle video because it's been a heat wave in LA. It's been like 113, and I wanted to share you a hairstyle that you can do that will just get you out of the door and is super easy and looks super cute for your natural 4C hair, so you're not rocking wigs when it's this hot outside. I'm gonna show you guys how to go from this to this in less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Basically get my hair prepped and ready for the 2 big puffs. So what I'm gonna use first is this leave-in conditioner for hair finity. I just because it's so dry, you want to make sure your hair is fully hydrated and moisturized, because otherwise it's just gonna dry out. Just as much as like you drink water for when it's hot for your body, you also need to make sure that your hair is not suffering due to the heat. So just I try not to use combs. I just use my finger pretty much all my hair things because it breaks so easily. So just I use my finger to massage the leave-in conditioner through my hair. Just make sure I get in It's been air dry for like 2 hours, so it's a little bit shrunken. And so quick blend check. And if I want it out, you can also add some water. This is just regular water. Add some water just to bring the moisture back to it. The next thing I'm going to do is put a hair lotion, and I use this olive oil brand. And I try not to put too much, like a little of that. And then I just kind of get it everywhere. So you can either use your finger or you can use a comb, but I prefer using my finger because it's just less brutal on my hair. And I'm not trying to make it like neat or like a straight line. I like it a little bit messy to look like I just kind of did it without really. Like if I wanted it a straight line, I will get a brush and make it a straight line. But because this is just, I'm heading to a bookstore to go get some work done, it's just a perfect work. And then, I just pull it. When you do this kind of hairstyle, it kind of gives you an instant facelift. That is the problem, it broke. So I have another one. That means I have to find another one for the other side. So then I just kind of finger proof it out a little bit more. I am going to go find another hair tie for this side, and I'll come back and show you the finished look. So now that both buns are done, the next thing I'm gonna do, this is not a process you have to do. You just if you want a cleaner edge, I just use a toothbrush, a gel, toothbrush, spray a little bit with water, and just get gel, and then just kind of tap it into the gel a little bit. I don't like to use a lot. And then just that little, and then I am not really creating baby hair. I'm just pushing my hair just to look sleeker and just looks more like a tight bun, so I don't have any flyaways. And also make sure to do the back also. Hairstyle, with this hairstyle, your entire edge is exposed because no hair is down. So you don't want to have like your front completely looking like well sleeked and then the back looking messy. So it's either you're gonna go messy all around or you're gonna go clean all around. And today, I guess I'm going clean all around. And that it's finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.